Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix something went wrong with Gemini. If you're trying to do something on your Gemini app and it's going to take you to this point where you are going to actually delete the activity that has been up to 18 months. So you can go ahead and delete it. So um all time, yes, go ahead and click on all time and delete it. And if that's still, and the next step you need to take, you need to go to the app, tap and hold on it, go to app info. Here you are going to be cache of the app. By doing so, after clearing the cache, as you can see, I've already cleared my cache and you are not able to fix your problem. You can still go ahead and clear the storage, then go back, and I'm sure that that's going to help fix the problem. So that is on how you can actually fix something went wrong with Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to the channel because I've come to the very end of this video. Please see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.